This is Fogmaker. Recognized as a global leader in fire suppression for mobile equipment, Fogmaker has installed over 200,000 units globally in the last 25 years. Trusted by thousands of asset owners, this remarkable automatic fire detection and fire suppression system is designed, engineered, and proven successful in the toughest environments. Fogmaker fire suppression system effectively attacks all three sides of the fire triangle. Fogmaker calls this unique performance triple action. The Fogmaker system monitors thermal activities. It detects and suppresses a fire using high-pressure water mist. By installing the Fogmaker automatic fire suppression system, you are installing technology that will, at some point, save a life, save an asset, and its surrounding environment. Fogmaker products are manufactured in Sweden using innovative technologies, which are certified by global and local standards. Fogmaker South Africa is the sole distributor of Fogmaker fire suppression here in South Africa and Southern Africa. Recommended for all types of engine compartments such as generator sets, aircraft ground equipment, material handling at ports and harbours. The Fogmaker system is a holder of European certificates that regulate the standard for fire suppression within buses and coaches. This includes the P Mark, the SPCR 183, the UN Vehicle Regulation, as well as the SPF 128. Compared to other mobile industrial machines, equipment used in forestry has a much higher risk of being damaged, if not destroyed, by fire. Fogmaker is ideal for forestry equipment and has a Swedish SPF 127 certification for logging and construction vehicles. In mining, Fogmaker is approved by the Australian Standards Mark 5062, a certificate for fire protection for mobile and transportable equipment, along with the UL American Mining Certification and Swedish SPCR 197. The FIA certificate for the Fogmaker fire suppression system is used in motorsports. Whilst electromobility is new to most, protecting electrical equipment is a speciality of theirs, having experience with generator sets and electrical rooms in marine vessels. With a global drive towards electromobility, water mist is recognized as the preferred solution in cooling lithium-ion batteries to avoid thermal runaway. For marine engine rooms, Fogmaker is an accredited marine fire service station by SAMSA and globally approved by the Swedish Maritime, RENA and Bureau Veritas. Locally, Fogmaker South Africa are affiliated with the Fireprevention Association of Southern Africa, whilst maintaining standards specified by ISO 9001 and 14001, along with the International Standard for Automotive Quality Management Systems. These remarkable products have successfully been installed in equipment such as Caterpillar, Hitachi equipment, Volvo, Sunwood, Bell equipment, to mention a few. Fogmaker South Africa offers professional risk assessments and free quotations on all engine-operated equipment nationwide and in Southern Africa, protecting valuable assets, saving lives, and our environment with every Fogmaker fire suppression installation. If you would like to see the Fogmaker fire suppression in action, log onto the website and book an engine fire simulation, a live demonstration with Fogmaker South Africa.